Hi, my name is Steve with Team Gilman Honda, and I'm here today presenting my 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Right now, I want to do a how-to video on just how to check your oil. Simple as that. So right here, we go unlock the vehicle. And there's a simple hood latch right here. On the very bottom right here, you just pull it. The hood pops up. Hood up. As you can see over here, the dipstick is right here. It's this yellow shaped color right here. All you have to do is simply pull it and wham. This is how you can check your oil. Normally you wipe it, put it back in there, and then check it, and it should give you an accurate reading. Sometimes it's recommended you start the vehicle up, leave it running for like 5 to 10 minutes so that the oil warms up, and then you can turn it off. This vehicle, we already started it, so all you have to do is just simply do that and just check the oil. And once you're done, you just simply put it back, close the hood. Simple as that.